Hello, my crafty friends. Helen here, and today I will be revealing one of the stamp sets from the July box of the month. So as you can see here, look at these cute little mice. Aren't they just so adorable? Now you get about 5 sentiments. One is have a nice day, hello, school vibes, just a little note to say, and write back soon. This also has a matching die set, which you can purchase each month on Jamie's website. And one thing that I like about Jamie's dies is that you get the dies to cut out the sentiments, and the detail on it is also really nice because as you can see there, it cuts out that little slit inside the mug, and that's something that I really do appreciate about what Jamie does. Now I'm bringing in the Dots for Spring paper, and I brought in one of my fancier dies, and then I brought in some polymer clay stars, and here they are all cut up. I chose a white cardstock, and I also cut out the circles with that stitch circle die, and here are some complementary cardstock colors to match my Dots for Spring pattern paper. So here's what it's going to look like. I'm going to put the white cardstock directly behind because I will be making little cute note cards to put in your kids' lunch boxes. Now I'm going to show you another alternative that you can do with this in the end. So I did go ahead and color my images. I went for like a pastel playful look. I really like that it's not too heavy on the primary colors, and when I was coloring the pens, I was like, I'm gonna make these highlighters. And if you don't have like a fancy die, if you just have a circle die, that will work also. I think these would look great on heart cutouts, even ovals, any shape dies you have, even a square. If you don't have any dies, you can cut out 4x4 or 3x3 squares, and it would work perfectly because we're just making note cards. And then if you don't want to make note cards, you can just take what you have, and what I'm going to show you in the end is you can actually put this on a card base. So I'll show you that visually because sometimes it's hard to visualize things, so you can kind of get an idea of what I'm talking about. So now that I have everything placed and glued, I'm going to put my mice one on each circle, and I'm placing the sentiments as well as the little decorative elements that came with the stamp set. The stamp set did come with a star, a heart, and another pen with a star on top. I do think that these images and just the stamp set in general would make perfect teacher gifts because, I mean, look at the mice. It's just so adorable. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, what you think of the box of the month so far. I mean, the sneak peeks, you guys. I just love that apple paper pad, the one that Jamie showed. I need that in my life. Okay, so I didn't pop anything up because I wanted this to be flat, because it will be going in a school lunch box, or well, my daughter's going away for college, so I'll probably like mail her one of these. And I homeschool my youngest, so this isn't going inside any lunchbox, but I could make cards out of these. But yeah, this is just to give you guys an idea of what you can make with it. And notice that mug right there with that slit or that hole in the cup cut out. I really like tiny details like that, which makes it worth it when I'm buying dies, especially when it cuts out sentiments. I really like that detail that Jamie does. All right, so the last finishing touch here is to add some of my polymer clay. You can also use the enamel dots that Jamie has. Unfortunately, some of the colors I've already used up, so that would go perfectly with these little note cards, but I can picture using those little cute enamel dots, and she's going to come out with another set for fall. So I'm really excited about that. But here it is, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Here it is all close up. I have to say my favorite one is the pink one because I really like how that little star pen looks at the bottom there. And here it is what it's going to look like on a card base. So I picture myself embossing the background of this. I think it would look really cute, and here's what it looks like on a colored cardstock. So you pick and choose what you want to do with it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I would appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button and the like button, and let's support Jamie. Have a wonderful day, you guys. Bye.